Hello friends, welcome to another PowerPoint tutorial by PowerPoint all-in-one machine. And in this video you will see how to make a column chart that we will animate like this. So when you make a presentation with column charts, they won't be static but will be as dynamic and interesting as possible. Okay, let's open PowerPoint now and choose blank presentation. And from layout we'll choose blank, and now we'll add the chart. We go to insert, chart, and choose the type, in this case the column chart, and I choose the first one. And you see that an Excel spreadsheet opens with some already written data. I'm gonna delete these last rows, so click on this row and hold down the shift key. Select the last one and pay attention. Do not press the delete key to delete them, because the columns will remain too narrow. Instead, with the 3 rows selected, right click, then go to delete. And here's how these columns are now thicker and centered on the chart. Then click here at categories and write sales. And here at series we'll put the year 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, and I'll put here 3,7 at sales, and here I add the year 2017, and at sales 5,7. Okay, now I can close this Excel spreadsheet. And here we have this table, and if we do not like the colors, we can go here to change colors. But as you can see here, we don't have too many choices. So we can go here to design and click this arrow to have more color options. And I'm going to choose this green. So this color palette looks much better than before. Now we'll clean this chart of all these horizontal bars and numbers to look more elegant. And go here to design, add chart element, chart title, and choose none to delete its title. Then from date label I'll put outside end to see the values. From grid lines I'll delete the horizontal lines. Click on primary major horizontal. Now I select this portion of the chart and click the delete key to delete it. I also select this subtitle here and delete it. We'll make this data bigger, so go to home, then increase the font from this button. And if I pull this handle, I can stretch this text field to center it better to the columns. Alright, now I'm going to add the title. I'm going to insert, text box, and here I write sales. I center the text from here. From here I choose another font. And from here I increase its size and I give it another color. Now I'm gonna center the title to the slide. I go to format and align center. Okay, then I select the chart and draw it down with the down arrow key. Okay, I'm gonna animate this chart now. I go to animations and choose wipe. Here it shows that the start of the animation is on click. And here from effect options, choose by element in category. And here's how this chart is animating. I open the animation panel now to see all the animations, and if I click on this arrow, I see all the animations start on click. Let's see this in the full screen mode. I'm going to the slideshow button and click on it. And if we have this slide with the animated column chart, every time we press the down arrow key or click the mouse, a column will be shown. And now I can present. In 2013 we had sales of 4.3 millions. In 2014 we had sales of 2.4 millions. In 2015 only 2 millions. Then we came back in 2016 with 3.7 millions, and in 2017 we have sales of 5.7 millions. I hope you understand how interesting these animations can make the chart now, so the presentation won't be boring and the viewer is forced to follow them in a certain order and to understand better. Okay, thank you for following this tutorial. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and a share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel because I'm going to do more interesting tutorials about PowerPoint. All the best!